Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by powering the Ertiga's head unit and confirming model type. This matters because touchscreen menus differ from single DIN controls. Once done, set ignition to ACC or run the engine so battery stays stable. Make sure your phone's Bluetooth is on and discoverable. Connect a USB cable if pairing needs firmware access. You'll use a small flat tool only if trim removal is required. This step prevents errors and speeds the pairing process, so don't skip it. Now navigate the head unit menu to phone or Bluetooth settings, touchscreen, tap settings, single DIN, press menu repeatedly. Once in Bluetooth, choose Add Device or Pair New. The system starts advertising. On your phone, pick the Ertiga unit name and confirm the code. If nothing appears, toggle Bluetooth off and on. Allow permissions for contacts and media so calls and audio work. Make sure to set the head unit as media audio, not only call audio to stream music. Finish by selecting Bluetooth audio as the source and play a track to confirm streaming, then make a test call to verify microphone routing. Once confirmed, save the paired device and enable auto reconnect so your phone reconnects when you enter the car. If pairing fails, reboot the head unit and phone, delete old devices from the unit's memory, and retry. Sometimes firmware needs a reset. If problems persist, consult dealer for firmware update because outdated unit software often blocks Bluetooth features.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.